Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the easiest way to send feedback to Google support. The process is similar across most Google products, but let's go step by step in Gmail. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. Once you are inside, look at the top right corner. You will see a question mark icon that opens a help menu. Click on that icon. When the menu appears, scroll down to the bottom. You will see an option called Send Feedback to Google. Click on Send Feedback. A small window will open on your screen. You will see two options here. First, you will see Report an Issue, and the second one is to suggest an idea. If you have a problem, you can choose the first one, and if you have something to suggest, you can click on the second option. I'm going to choose Report. Here you can type your feedback. Write a clear message explaining your issue or suggestion. After you finish writing, click the Next button at the bottom. Your feedback will go directly to Google support. That is how you can quickly send feedback. Thanks for watching.